The Veise VE012W-B Wi-Fi fingerprint smart lock with handle set is designed to bring modern convenience and advanced security to your front door. Combining biometric fingerprint access, keypad entry, and full Wi-Fi app control, this smart lock offers multiple ways to secure and manage your home without relying on traditional keys. It's a practical upgrade for homeowners who want both flexibility and peace of mind. One of the standout features is the built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, which allows remote control through a dedicated mobile app. This means you can lock or unlock your door from anywhere, monitor access activity, and manage user permissions directly from your smartphone. Whether you need to let in a guest while you're away or check if you remember to lock the door, remote access adds a new level of convenience and control. The fingerprint unlocking feature provides quick and secure entry with just a touch. Biometric access reduces the hassle of carrying keys or remembering complex passcodes. The fingerprint sensor is designed for fast recognition, making daily entry smooth and efficient. In addition to fingerprint access, the keypad allows you to set custom codes for family members, guests, or service providers. Temporary or scheduled codes can be especially useful for short-term visitors or rental properties. The integrated handle set gives the lock a cohesive and modern look while simplifying installation. Instead of managing separate components, the combined design creates a clean appearance and solid feel. The build quality is sturdy, designed to handle daily use while maintaining reliable performance. Keyless entry significantly reduces the risks associated with lost or duplicated keys. With multiple access options including fingerprint, passcode, app control, and often a physical backup key, you're covered in different situations. The smart features also allow you to monitor who enters and exits, adding another layer of security awareness. Overall, the Veise VE012W-B Wi-Fi fingerprint smart lock delivers a strong combination of technology, convenience, and reliability. With remote app control, biometric access, and a durable handle set design, it offers a comprehensive smart home solution for secure and flexible keyless entry.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.